Are you looking for a cost-effective DIY eyelash extensions product? Do you want to wake up to perfect full and fluffy lashes each and every day? Do you want to learn how to apply lash extensions for beginners at home? If so, then this is the video for you. Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a game changer in the world of faux lashes, VeyesBeauty. If you're like me and love the look of long fluttery lashes but don't have the time or budget for salon appointments, then this product here is a total game changer. Veyes at-home eyelash extensions allows you to achieve salon quality lashes in the comfort of your own home, easily and effortlessly. Now, what makes Veyes lash extensions so special is that VeyesBeauty is more than just a lash brand. It's an embodiment of beauty and self-expression. They believe that every individual has a unique story to tell, and their lashes are designed to be perfect companions in your journey. Whether you're seeking a natural look or a more daring look, VeyesBeauty is there to empower you with confidence and style. And now there is even more exciting news from VeyesBeauty. Get ready for the launch of their groundbreaking new beauty innovation that revolutionizes the craftsmanship of the lash band, featuring an exclusive blend of materials that makes the most invisible lash band that is totally undetectable. Veyes has created this ultra thin, incredibly fine lashes that makes for a state of near invisibility. In other words, no one will know you're wearing lash extensions. They'll think you just woke up born with the fullest and fluffiest lashes of life. What I personally love about these lashes is that they have never irritated my sensitive eyes, and they're so easy and effortless to apply. VeyesBeauty's lash clusters are so simple to use. You can make your own lash extensions at home, and one lash tray is enough to last so many times. They offer individual cluster lashes that are handmade with high quality PBT fibers that ensure the lashes are soft and lightweight and comfortable to wear. Their cluster lashes look so natural and so fluffy. You can create any lash effect you want with the mixed lash tray, and you can update your look whenever you want. Another thing I love is that these are the simplest eyelash extensions that I've ever used. You simply apply the lash bond to your natural lashes, then use the lash applicator tool to apply the cluster lashes under your natural lashes, and you finish with the lash sealer to lock them in place, and they do not come off. I've had mine on for almost a week now. Veyes lashes offer quality, comfort, and beautiful lashes that you can do easily and effortlessly from the comfort of your home while saving so much money. I can't believe they truly only take 5 seconds to apply a cluster. I have never seen eyelash extensions apply so quickly and effortlessly before. So let's take a look at what's inside the Veyes kit. You'll get a set of high quality faux mink lashes, a specially formulated adhesive, and a precision applicator tool. The application process is super easy thanks to the precision applicator tool. I'm wearing my Veyes lashes now, and they are so weightless and they feel like you have nothing on your eyes, which is incredible. As you can see, Veyes lashes gives you that full gorgeous lash effect without the hassle or expense of salon visits. I know I've been using Veyes at-home eyelash extensions for a few weeks now, and I am completely obsessed. They're so easy to apply and the lashes stay put. Again, I've had these on for a week now. Everybody is constantly asking me where I get my lashes done, and no one can believe that I do them at home myself and how affordable it is and how easy. So I wanted to show you how I created my own eyelash extension set using my Veyes kit. So first I started by brushing on the Bond product, and a little bit does go a long way. You want to brush a light coat on your natural lashes and then go ahead and take a cluster, and you gently pick up the lashes by grabbing them at the band and place them about 1 to 2 millimeters away from your eyelids. And you want to go underneath your own natural lashes so it looks totally undetectable, and it is so comfortable on your eyes, and it's totally non-irritating. That's what I love about this Veyes product. It hasn't irritated my eyes whatsoever. So I'm using lash mapping here, and I did 16, 14, 16, 14, and 12. And then I like to take the lash applicator and just kind of push everything together. When I'm happy with the final result, I'll go in with the seal. And I go ahead and seal the lashes I apply the seal from underneath and on top of my lashes to make them absolutely waterproof. So then I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye here. We're going to repeat the same steps. You apply your bond product, then you go ahead and apply a cluster under your real lashes. And you just go ahead and continue on until you get the desired shape and effect that you'd like. Even 1 or 2 clusters makes such a huge difference. You don't need to even apply this many clusters to get such a gorgeous look. And what I love about these is just how lightweight they are, and you totally feel like you have nothing on your eyes. And this set has lasted me over a week now, so these lash extensions truly do last. I love how these VIs make your eyes look bigger. They make you look more wide awake. You can run out the door and feel more put together because you will have your lash extensions on without having to do your makeup. So you can wear less makeup and feel more put together. Not only do these lashes look amazing, but they are incredibly comfortable on your eye. The lightweight faux mink lashes are designed to feel soft and natural, and they truly do. So you don't even know you're wearing them. It's also super easy to remove the lashes if you want. When you're ready to remove the lashes, simply use the VEYES Lash Remover, which gently dissolves the adhesive without causing any discomfort. The VEYES Lash Remover is specially designed to safely and gently remove the eyelash extensions without causing you any damage to your natural lashes or discomfort. So here's how it works. You start by applying a small amount of the VEYES Lash Remover onto a cotton pad or a disposable micro brush. You can also brush it directly on your eyes with the wand that comes in the applicator. Carefully and lightly dab the lash remover onto the base of the lash extensions, focusing on the adhesive area where the faux lashes are bound to your reel. Allow the lash remover to sit and work for a few minutes, then the remover will gradually dissolve the adhesive, loosening the lash extensions from your natural lashes. Once the adhesive has been sufficiently dissolved, gently and slowly start to remove the lash extensions using tweezers or your fingertips. It's important to be gentle to avoid pulling or tugging on your own natural lashes. After removing all of the lash extensions, cleanse your natural lashes with a mild cleanser to remove any remaining lash remover or adhesive residue. It's important to follow the instructions provided by VEYES and be gentle during the removal process to ensure the safety of your natural lashes. If you have any concerns or difficulties, it's always best to consult the VEYES product instructions or reach out to their customer support for further guidance. They are always there to help you. To make your VEYES last as long as possible, it's important to avoid rubbing or pulling on your lashes to prevent damage and breakage. Here's why. Number 1, lash breakage. By rubbing or pulling on your lashes, it can cause them to break or become damaged. Lashes are delicate and can easily break when subjected to excessive force or friction. You also don't want to pull on the lashes. Pulling on your lashes can cause them to fall out prematurely. So you want to be very gentle with your V-Lash eyelash extensions, and you want to try not to rub or tug on them, and this will ensure that they last as long as possible. You also don't want to irritate your eyes by rubbing or pulling on your lashes can cause irritation. So you definitely don't ever want to rub or pull or tug on your faux or real lashes. With the VEYES at-home eyelash extensions kit, you have total control over your lash look. Whether you prefer a subtle enhancement or a dramatic full-on glam, you can achieve it all with this amazing product. All in all, to summarize why these lashes are so amazing, the VEYES Eyelash Band features that incredible exclusive blend of materials and utilizes that proprietary custom process, achieving that ultra thin and extremely fine invisible band. It has a lightweight feel, so you never know you have them on, and you can wear them comfortably for up to 7 days. They take literally 5 seconds to apply a cluster, and they are definitely beginner friendly. I love how the Dreamy set comes with 196 clusters, so you can create endless looks and effects. So if you're ready to take your lash game to the next level, I highly recommend trying VEYES at-home eyelash extensions. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated for all of the latest beauty tips and tricks. I'll have everything for VEYES linked down below, so make sure you check them out and get gorgeous eyelash extensions at home for yourself. Thanks again for spending time with me today. See you soon, beauties.